Okay, I want you to see this for yourself. It's a little bright right now. This woman is an unschooling mother. What do you see as the main problem with public education?
The fact that public education or public school, compulsory schooling exists, that's the problem right there. It's not what's going wrong in the system, it's that the system exists. I mean, it was instituted in 1850 as a socializing agent. It was modeled after the Prussian system, and the whole purpose of it is to create a docile factory, mine, military workforce. The whole purpose is to subordinate children and get them in that mindset of being subordinated so they grow up to be subordinated adults. It's interesting because in the early days, reading was discouraged because obviously reading leads to free thinking individuals. So although probably a lot of school teachers nowadays do not realize that that's that grim reality of what public school is about, they're still perpetuating it without realizing it. The problem is that the public school system literally destroys children. And I am using that word not lightly. It destroys children intellectually, creatively, spiritually, even physically and emotionally. And so in a holistic manner, the child is damaged by the system because the entire system is designed to regiment a large group of people and to get them all to do the exact same thing and to do it on a bell or a whistle or somebody's order. It's not for the happiness of the child. It's not to create an educated group of people. That's what they say because they're trying to convince the populace of that. So they're not going to go around and say, we're trying to create a docile populace here. They say, we want to educate your children so that they will help us, create an innovative society because, capitalism is this or that. The reality is they want children to take their place in society, be cogs, and keep this system going, this system of materialism, capitalism. They want you to take your place. So you're going to school to take your place. You're not there for your joy. That's the beauty of unschooling is that, individual parents are doing it because we love our children, because we're concerned with their happiness in the future, not whether they're going to take their place and move our society into the 22nd century by being innovative so that we can beat out Japan and China. We're doing it because we love our children. So that's the problem. It exists.